Hi Laurence. I consider it a great privilege to have had the opportunity to work with you under your leadership for the last 2.5 years. I've learned a lot from your leadership style in how to be mindful in every interaction, how to empathize with various situations, and how to be open and fair in all dealings with the team and with our clients and other stakeholders. I'm sure all of us in CIC India have learned similar lessons observing your leadership style as well. I wish you all the very best for a happy, peaceful, retired life in France.
Namaste, Laurence. It has been my absolute honor and pleasure to have worked in your inspiring leadership and guidance over the last 2.5 years. Thank you so much for touching many of us with the magic of mindfulness and instilling the positivity and sense of purpose in life. I wish you the very best of life ahead. Keep smiling. Do take care. Namaste.
Namaste, Lawrence. Hello, how are you? First of all, congratulations for 35 years being at IBM. Since the last 3 years I know you, you have been always a great inspiration and great mentor to me. Though you are too senior to me, I never felt that I am interacting someone so senior. Our conversation was always open, and whenever I met you, you were always jolly and happy to help. Also, knowing the way you are, I am sure whatever you choose in future, you shall always be successful, you shall always help others, and always be a fun person to around with. It is not a goodbye, Lawrence. Let's be in touch, as I shall always need you in my personal and professional life. Wish you a great retired life. Thank you.
Hi, Laurence. Wanted to take a minute to thank you for being such a great influencer and a leader. What differentiates you is your utmost simplicity, your values, and of course, a wonderful business acumen. I'm glad I had the privilege to work with you. You are always there standing and supporting your teams. I wish you all the very best in your future journey and enjoy every bit of life and continue inspiring people. Thank you so much, Laurence.
Hi, Laurence. It's been 2 long years since we've been working together, and it has been an amazing and an inspiring journey for me personally. I never knew that it would be so quick that we would be giving you a farewell. Uh, you come across as such a humble, down to earth, approachable leader that anyone can really share their challenges and really look forward for an enablement support. And you have been that source of help for me. Thank you so much for everything you've done, and you will be certainly missed in this organization. Thank you for bringing this mindfulness culture, the most needed essence for this organization. You came in at the right time, and I wish this magic spreads across wherever you are. You will be truly missed once again. Thank you for everything.
Hi, Laurence. I just want to take a moment to thank you for your inspiring leadership. I always felt very positive after a conversation and a meeting with you. You helped shape the cloud migration and modernization practice by being very supportive. I wish you the very best for you in the future.
Hi Lawrence, you have been an inspiration for all of us at CMM from the early days. I have learned mindfulness from the sessions conducted by you. I still remember you telling, do it for 21 days, it will become a habit. I have experienced it and I am still practicing it. Wish you all the best. We'll certainly miss you.
Hello, Lawrence. Hope you're doing good. Thanks for all your leadership and support. Without you, I guess the CMF would have not been what it is today. We really thank you for your leadership, and we wish you all the best for your future, and God bless you and your family with good health and happiness. Wishing you to see you soon in Bangalore. Take care, Lawrence. Bye.
Hi Lawrence, the news of you leaving IBM is a shocker. We will miss you, and for, though you're leaving IBM, but I'm sure we'll stay connected through our common link, mindfulness. When I joined Cloud, I never knew that my life would really change. And last 2 years, I have learned so much from you, and I have been so inspired by your personality. Thank you so much for being our guiding star, for everything that you've done for all of us.
Hello, Laurent. I wish to express my gratitude for being such an inspiration and a human leader. Thank you very much for giving me various learning and contributing opportunities, and I'm surely going to miss working under your guidance. I wish you all the best in the future plans that you have for yourself and the people around you. Thank you.
Hi Laurence, this is Sridhar. I have a quick confession to make in this message. I will never forget 1st August 2018, the day in Pyramid Valley. Manoj took me to the library at the end of the day, and I started searching frantically for some books, not really knowing what to pick up. You came over to me and handed this book, Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and said you recommend this book to me. I read each and every page of the book and I thoroughly enjoyed the narration in it. It did have some degree of impact. After about 1.8 years, now I am on the path of meditation and mindfulness. I have not worked with you closely in IBM, but I'm hoping our paths will cross in some degree in the future. I will be watching you doing great things and reaching new heights in whatever you pick up in life. Thank you for everything, Laurence. Have a safe, healthy, and a happy future. Thank you.
That was close, wasn't it? We would have done everything from our end to ensure that the brick was caught, because you are a leader par excellence across IBM. You are adorable, you are amazing, you are awesome, and you are admired throughout the company. You're also unbelievably unique. Very hard to find somebody like you. You're both resilient in your professional life as well as in your personal life. Energetic to the core. Wonder how you're able to get through a full day with just a banana. You're noble at heart. We know how you have helped so many people. You're also compassionate to the world around you. And finally, thank you for being such an empowering leader. That's Laurence for you. Wishing you the best of health, wealth, joy, and happiness in your retired life. We love you, Laurence. Virtual hugs from Team India.